Got the Lighthouse 695 megahertz. It's a tower designed to emit light for marking dangerous coastlines, has the soul's hidden reef, and also to help guide ships into safe harbors. Often these towers are cylindrical in order to avoid damage from strong winds. Here is the Lighthouse model this is based off of. So the kind of, you see, it's slightly different. Still picture. You can see there's a bit more windows on the lighthouse. It does got the little entryway. Start. Get all the angles. Close angle. Upward angle. Bada bing. Go. Bye.